Hello students, today we discuss some MCQ. First, here log 32 divide log 16 the blanks A, B, C and D. 4 options. Now here solution. Given log 32 divide log 16. So here log 32 by log 16. Now factor of 32, 2 raised to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32, 2 raised to 5. Similarly, factor of 16 log 2 raised to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 4. So now power is going multiple 5 log 2 by 4 log 2. Now log 2 got. Then answer 5 by 4. So your answer is 5 by 4. Second, log 125 base 5. 125 base 5. A is equal to A, B, C and D are option. So now solution. Here given log 125 base 5. Now here 125 factor 5 cube. So 3 is power in go to multiple, then 3 multiple log 5 is 5, but base and index are same, so that is 1. 3 multiple 1, answer is 3. So here answer is option is D. Now MCQ number 3. If log 32 base A is equal to 5, here given log 32 base A is equal to 5. Now our formula log B base A is equal to n, that is equal to B is equal to A raised to n. So here A is equal to A, B is equal to 35, n is equal to 5. So 32 is equal to A raised to 5. Now factor of 32, 2 raised to 5, A raised to 5. Then same index are cut, so A is equal to 2. So our answer is equal to 2. Fourth MCQ, 2 raised to minus log 3 raised to. Now here solution, 2 raised to minus log 3 raised to. Here minus 1. So 2 raised to log minus 3 raised to minus 1 base 2. But we know that A raised to log x base A, that is equal to x, is our property. So here A is equal to 2, A is equal to 2, x is equal to 3 inverse. Then answer is x equal to, answer is 3 inverse. But 3 inverse is equal to 1 by 3. That is our answer. So here our answer is B option. Now MCQ number 5. If log x plus log 2x is equal to log 18, then x is equal to blanks. Now here A, B, C, D option. So now solution here, given log x plus log 2x is equal to log 18. Now first here log common, then x multiple 2x is equal to log 18. Now remove two side log and x multiple x, that is 2x square is equal to 18. So x square is equal to 18 by 2, here multiple na 2, both other side divide, 18 divide 2, then 9. So x square is equal to 9. But 3 square is equal to 9 and minus 3 square is equal to 9. So here 9, possibility 2 plus or minus 3 under root 9. So here square root of x, that is x, and square root of 9 plus minus 3. But x is equal to minus 3 not possible in log. So answer is x is equal to 3. So our option x is equal to 3. Now MCQ number 6. If a raised to x is equal to b raised to y, then x by y is equal to something. Option A, B, C and D. Now here given a raised to x is equal to b raised to y. Now take both side log, x base a, log y base a. Here x is in index, here y is in index. Then go to multiple. X log a is equal to y log b. Now here x by y, then x here multiple, y here multiple, other side in divide. So x by y is equal to, here log a in multiple, other side in divide, then log b by log a. That is our answer. Log b by log a, option number C. Now MCQ number 7. Log 1 by 2 base 4 is equal to blank. Option number A minus 1 by 2, B 1 by 2, C 2 and D minus 2. Solution. Here given log 1 by 2 base 4. Now first log 2 raised to minus 1 base 4, because 1 by 2 is equal to 2 raised to minus 1. Now factor of 4 is equal to log 2 raised to 2 base 2 raised to minus 1. Log 2 raised to 2 base minus. Now our formula a raised to log a base x is equal to x. Here a is equal to 2. Here a is equal to 2 and x is equal to 2 raised to minus 1. That is 2 raised to minus 1. So answer is 1 by 2. Now here option number. Example number 8. For MCQ number 8, log a minus log b is equal to blank. A, B, C and D are option. Solution. Here given log a minus log b. So log is common, then our formula minus, then divide log a by b. So our answer is log a by b, option number B. Blanks number 9. Log 625 base 5 plus log root 5 base 5 is equal to blanks. Now here given log 625 base 5 plus log root 5 base 5, so is equal to first 625 factor, five is 25, 25 is 125 and 125 is 625. Log 5 raised to under root 5, then 5 raised to 1 by 2. Here 4 is in power, so go to multiple log 5 base 5. Similarly 1 by 2 log 5 base 5. Here base and index are same, that is 1. 4 multiple 1 plus, here index and base are same, then 1 by 2 multiple 1, that is equal to 4 plus 1 by 2. 4 plus 1, 4 to the 8. 8 plus 1 by 4, 2, that is 9 by. Our answer is 9 by 2. Option B. Okay. Now MCQ number 10. Log 4 base 5 multiple log 3 base 5 multiple log 2 base 3 multiple log 1 base 2 is equal to blank. Here given option A 24, B 10, C 10, 0 and D 5. So here given log 4 base 5 multiple log 3 base 4 multiple log 2 base 3 multiple log 1 base 2. Now change the base. Log 5 log 4 ऊपर log 5 numerator and denominator, multiple log 3 numerator log 4 denominator. Similarly log 2 by log 3 and log 1 by log 2. Now here log 4 and log 4 same cut, log 3 and log 3 same cut, log 2 and log 2 same cut. Then here given log 1 by log 5. But we know that log 1 is equal to value 0 by log 5, that is equal to answer 0. So option 6. 11th, under root log x base 3 is equal to 2, then x is equal to blanks. A is equal to 9, B is equal to 81, C is equal to root 3 and D 6. Now here given log x base 3 is equal to, first we both sides square because 12 here given, so log x base 3 is equal to 2 square. So log x base 3 is equal to 4. But our formula is log b base a is equal to m, that is equal to b is equal to a raised to m. So here a is equal to 3, b is equal to x, m is equal to 4. So b is equal to x is equal to 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 4 is equal to 81. So our answer is 81, option B. Okay.